Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love in-depth looks at practical home gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Today, we are checking out the Eureka NEU10AE5 powerful bagless upright vacuum cleaner. This unit is designed to be a fantastic all-rounder, especially if you're dealing with mixed floor types. First off, it's seriously light, tipping the scales at just 7.7 pounds. This makes moving it between rooms or up and down stairs incredibly easy. Power-wise, it delivers impressive suction to effortlessly pull dirt and hair from both your carpets and hard floors, thanks to its 10.5-inch wide cleaning path, which helps speed up bigger cleaning jobs. For above-floor cleaning, the quick-release handle lets you attach the included crevice tool and dusting brush for tackling upholstery, windows, and those hard-to-reach corners. Everything stays within reach with all tools snapping right onto the unit. Maintenance is a breeze too. It's bagless, so no more costly bags. The filter is washable, meaning you just rinse it and let it dry, saving you money and being kinder to the environment. This vacuum operates on corded electric power, compatible with standard 120-volt outlets, and offers the convenience of an extra-long 25-foot cord. Overall, the Eureka NEU10AE5 is a lightweight, powerful, bagless upright that makes floor and above-floor cleaning straightforward. Give it a look if you need a reliable, easy-to-maintain cleaner for your home. Let me know in the comments what you think.